This is Asna from CC Year 1, Group 1, and this is my assignment 2 of the final assignment of web development. So here we were asked to create an HTML working website. So I have chosen the theme. Now let's run the website and let's see how it will come in. Here is my website, and this is the homepage of my website. You can book an appointment, log in, sign up, and go anonymous. That is a new feature. Scrolling down, you got our services, and this is the footer. Over here, you have our chatbot, so you can just think it's gonna type a headache. If you have headache, you can ask him, and there you go. It will tell about the headache, and then a lot of more stuff, fever, and then can you tell me about anonymous mode? Like, what is anonymous mode? And it's gonna tell about the anonymous code and everything. And then when we go here to the navigation, this about, and this is about everything is mentioned over here. Then we go towards the service, and this is our services, online consultation, and every single thing over here. Then when we go towards the doctor, this is our doctor's page, and you can scroll and check out all the doctors. Now if I want to search, I can also search the doctors. Then we got mark over here. I can search any doctor, like, there you go. So it's going to pop up. And then if you want contact, this is the contact. I can fill in the details. Hi, I would like to see a heart doctor, and I can just send. There you go, my message has sent. So this is my whole FitDoc website. I hope you like it. Thank you. This is Asna from CC Year 1, Group 1, and this is my assignment 2 of the final assignment of web development. So here we were asked to create an HTML working website. So I have chosen the theme medical, and based on that, this is my walkthrough. So let's start with the home page. This is the home page of this is the HTML of the home page, and here first I have linked it with the CSS to give it a beautiful and formal and minimal design. Then coming down, we have logo and navigation section. Here are all the navigations, and towards the left you have the logo, which is for dog. And then coming down, we have section and the call to action button. It starts with an welcoming text, which is welcome to Fidog. And then coming down, you got few buttons like book an appointment, log in, sign up, go anonymous. And then coming more down, you can see the service section, overview of services provided by us. So we have arranged it in 3 cards where you can see the services provided by us. And then coming down, you have footer section and the chatbot section. Chatbot is a new thing which you have added. It's basically like an AI, but not exactly AI, and it will navigate you throughout our website. And in the end, to execute this chatbot, we have added the JavaScript. Now coming to the style 1 CSS. So here the design is very minimal and very formal, and we don't have anything external in our design. It's very professional as well. And let's start with it. There's the header style. We have kept it in a deep blue background and white text. And coming down, we have the main welcoming. So we have the background as a picture which has been blurred, and on top of that there is a white box in which the headings and the navigation buttons are there. And then coming more down, we got the buttons and interaction. We have also kept the button design as very less design and minimal, so that every patient can, like every kind of user who is using it, will be easier for them to understand the design and how it functions. Coming down, we have service section, which is the cards which were displayed on the home section. This design is also very minimal. It's white and blue. And coming down is the footer, and in the end we have chatbot design. We have a logo which is towards the left, and it is a floating logo. Once pressed on that, a whole pop-up will be, chat box container will be popped up, and the design of that is also very minimal, so that our user can understand what they're communicating and the text that they get in return. Now going to the chatbot JavaScript. So here we have the JavaScript of the chatbot. In here first we have the DOM element section, from where we call all those stuff from the HTML, that is chat toggle, chat box, etc. And then coming down, we have the visibility, and then we have event listener for sending message. This section is for handling user message input. And then here it is add message to the chat window. Here it is showing type indicator. That means like before the message appears, it will show like the doctor is typing. To show that effect, we have used this too. And then coming down, it is for generating bot response based on the user input. Now let's head towards the next section, that is about HTML. Over here it's very simple, and again it's very simple design. Everything, we have the navigation as a header. About section page, it's about Fidog, get out the best food, our mission, and why to choose Fidog. Coming down, the footer and the chatbot. Then we have the about CSS. We have kept the design again very minimal and very formal. It's very easy for people to use, and the theme of our design is obviously dark blue and white. Then coming to next, that is contact.html. Over here the user can contact us in this page. Again, we got the header and the navigations. Then we have the contact section, get in touch with us as the heading, title, and then over here we have a form that the user can fill, which includes their name, email, and 4 rows in which they can type whatever their inquiries are. And as soon as they click the submit button, they'll have a whole toast popping up on the page which says that their message has been sent. And then again we have the chatbot section. And then for our toast we have a JavaScript. We can see over here contact JavaScript. So over here it is for the toast, that submit button pop-up message. So first this code, it waits till HTML is fully loaded, and then it selects the content from the element, and then it selects the toast message element, and then add an event listener to handle the form submission, and then prevent actual submission, and the page reloads, which means the form is again empty and the user can again type in the message, and it shows the message, and then it hides the toast after 3 seconds. Then we got the contact CSS over here. Again, the design is very minimal, very easy, and we don't have anything external. We have even kept the toast design also as very minimal. It's just dark blue and with the text of white. Okay, then coming down we have doctors HTML. Over here all of our professionals are shown. So we start with the headers and then doctor section, where the title is meet our expert doctors. Then there is a search bar where you can search your expert doctor, and they'll pop up to your screen. You don't have to swipe through, and the doctor cards are laid in a vertical way in which you can scroll towards the right and the left, and the arrows are also towards the like placed towards the right and towards the left, which people who find difficulty in scrolling can just tap on the arrow, and they can explore through the variety number of doctors we have. And then there is footer section and again chatbot, and in the end there is like the doctor's JavaScript in order to make this functionality of search bar and then scrolling thing possible. So this is the JavaScript. Over here first we have this, it's DOM elements, we're calling it all from HTML. And then we have the left and right navigation, arrow system, search input field, all doctors card. Then when the left arrow is clicked, scrolls towards the container towards the left, and then same with the right. Then we got the code for the search filter, and then when DOM is fully loaded, it just starts. Okay, just the event takes place. Then here we got all the pictures which are actually there in the doctors.html. We have all those pictures linked to each and every doctor we have kept in the cards. Then last we have the service.html. Over here the same starts with an header, and then service section. Over here we have kept it in cards in a horizontal way aligned. We got all the services that we provide, and then there's additional information which is also in a card towards the right. It's our email and phone number, and then you can contact us over there. And we have the footer section obviously, and then the chatbot is there, and in the end it's the external JavaScript towards the chatbot. So this is my whole project, and obviously it's not the best, but I have done everything I could and how much I know, and I have improved a lot of my skills in this, and I hope you like it. Thank you.